Mga second generational player dito sa Southofs Classic.
Yep.
Bachicha mag-isa sa ilalim against mga second generational player dito sa Southofs Classic.
Yep.
Bachicha mag-isa sa ilalim against the towering defense of Agustin.
Matuwa yung mga bata talaga. Ibang klase. It's the bundle of joy.
Oh! Bachicha once again lifting everyone from the orange shirt.
Tapos pag tinitingnan mo si Coach Mark Lopez and the way
This live streaming of the Southofs Classics at nandito kami sa The Hard Court sa Azure Urban Resort. Dito lang yan sa Parañaque City as Bachicha from the outside. Dapat ay Buen mag-isa rito. Buen block by Bachicha.
What a defense by Bachicha.
Hindi man nila alam yung mga rules na iba. Oh, Bachicha!
Wow, Bachicha. Sabi kasi yun, may bit-bit ng bola yun eh.
Yes, kanina sa bata nagre-reklamo. Ito na si Bachicha. Ito isa rin to sa marunong sa kanila as he will score on cue, Coach Noy. Pero ginampala nito sa Villanueva. Ang bola napunta kay Bachicha. Titira si Bachicha. Oh my God! Bachicha with an N1 brought to you by Pound for Pound Fitness. Last shot for Bachicha. Parang alam niya yun. Bachicha. Si Chong hindi na nakatingin. Bachicha will fire. Let's go for Bachicha.
Bachicha!
4 seconds remaining. May chance pa itong si Santos Classics at nandito kami sa The Hard Court sa Azure Urban Resort. Dito lang yan sa Parañaque City as Bachicha from the outside. Dapat 3 points yun, Coach eh.
Yeah, wow.
And Coach, we can see a lot of good. The ball will be with Bachicha. Bachicha coast to coast is good.
Wow.
Hinanap yung angulo, Coach.